In my last video I converted this bike for kids into a small motorbike. I did it using the 80cc motor bicycle kit. The project was pretty straightforward. I really enjoyed the build, and also it was a lot of fun to test out my own creation. And in this video I will finish the project. I'm going to give it a paint job and I will add the front brake. The battlefield of bike parts. Here we have all the painted parts. The white pieces are still in primer. I have to let it dry first. Then I paint the bike green. When I bought the bike it was green and I kind of like the color. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give me a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I will do more similar projects in the future for sure. The last coating is done now. You have to let it dry again. And then we can reassemble the bike. Here we have the finished bike. I'm happy with the result. I think the green and the black paint looks good together. I lowered the handlebars a bit so the seating position is better even for big kids like me. Yeah, all in all it was really a fun project and not too expensive either. I think I spent around $150 total, including the 80cc engine. I hope my video inspired you to make something similar. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and now it's time to test the bike again.